Some theorists have described the act of reading as a repeating cycle in which the reader makes predictions about the next clause or sentence, then narrows the set of possible meanings as new text is processed. Easy-to-read texts do not leave readers in prolonged uncertainty about what the author is saying. Abstractions are unavoidable in legal writing. The law is a network of abstract rules that govern human interactions. But that makes it even more important to write clearly and say what you mean. 3.2. Learn and apply the principles of plain language style. A key aspect of writing style is diction, word selection. Use the word that most precisely communicates your meaning, but if several words are equally suitable, your default choice should be the simplest word available. The best legal writers cultivate a plain language style that is, as stylist Jacques Barzoun puts it, simple and direct. To that end, delete unnecessary words and follow these guidelines in choosing the words you keep. Prefer short words. Prefer concrete and specific words. Prefer familiar words. Prefer singular nouns. Prefer words to symbols, initials, and abbreviations. Prefer English words and phrases to Latinisms. These and other principles are discussed in the sections that follow. Internalizing them will make your documents easier and more pleasant to read. 3.3. Avoid legalese and ritual phrases. Legal writing abounds with sentences that only a lawyer could write. Consider this example from a demand letter. The undersigned hereby further notifies you and each of you that he does not recognize any right alleged by you, whether referenced to by you in said lease or not, to the return to you of $20,000, or any sum at all as alleged in your notice of intention to terminate said lease, or for any reason, right, or claim whatsoever, and on the contrary hereby notifies you that pursuant to paragraph 10 of said Rex Arms lease, upon the final termination of said lease by you, pursuant to your notice of intention to terminate said lease, you and each of you shall and will thereupon forfeit all of your right, title, and interest in and to said $25,000, and or $20,000, or any and all sums referred to therein to the undersigned. That paragraph was written in the 1940s, but many of its linguistic devices, such as the repetition of numbers, pompous references to the undersigned, and use of jargon such as said lease and therein, remain common.